Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. Killer chess, a 2-4-3-8. Let's try maybe a Grand Prix attack system. Would be interesting, I hope. Quick F5 or something. Or Queen H4. Oh, that's pretty crude. Queen H4 coming up. Knight D4. Can I do something energetic like Queen H4? Yeah. Sack a rook. We'll just take on D4. I should just take on D4 for a moment. D5 here. If he plays D5, he hasn't. Okay, I'll slip back here for a moment. I think. So D5, I could answer it with E5. Then Knight F5. This pawn's a bit loose, potentially. Right, I go for F5 or something and Bishop G5. That G4 and then F5. G4 is interesting. Or I could try and develop for a moment Bishop D2, just in case playing something like Bishop B4. Also, if I need to play Rook C1. But I think G4. I don't know. This looks interesting. Now A5 is coming up though. I suppose Queen E1 is interesting. Bishop A5. Let's just switch plan to stop this A5 plan. Let's just cut across it. If I play Bishop A5 and then move the Queen back, that might be interesting. If I move the Queen back to H4 after. I'll put the Bishop here. I'm on D6. Actually, if Rook C6, no, Queen H4. Let's attack that Queen again. Knight C6. You can play Knight C6 and then A5. It hasn't. Okay. I'll try and go for this attack. I think C2 is going to be a problem, though, with this A4 plan. So maybe F5 here, try to open up things, and then Knight F4. Try and keep the bishop on this diagonal. I'm not quite sure what I'm threatening though at the moment. Bishop takes F7, then Queen H7. That looks kind of interesting. Knight E7, E takes. I think that's too tasty to pass off with the knight there. This F file. That's quite dangerous. If Knight E5, Knight G6, Rook F. I don't think that's working. Let's see, Knight E5. What's going on after Knight E5? E takes, Rook H8, E takes, sorry, F takes G6. My queen be kind of trapped. Although I think there might be Knight D5 checking, Bishop G5. You never know. So, Knight E5, E takes, Rook H8, F takes, King E7, there's Knight D5 there. That might actually be quite good. Well, actually, I'm just taking on G7 anyway when that happens. Okay. So rook h8 looks like a serious threat. Okay, so e takes here. Try to open up this f file to the king. If bishop f5, I don't know, knight g6. There's no bishop g6, then there's rook f5 after. Knight g6. That looks quite interesting. So I'm stopping rook h8. Knight g6, rook f5. Bit of a king hunt, maybe. Let's see. And just knight takes rook f5. I'm getting a lot of material here.
Check. Check.
This looks very promising. This looks very, very promising. So play just rook f1. Right. So I've just got check and rook f3 or something. Oh, what's stronger? Mind you, rook e1. Where's the queen go? I think h5. I think there's check and then rook f3. I think rook h3 is dangerous. Queen e2, rook h3. That's king g7. Then what? I don't want him on h2 particularly. Well, let's check here.
Check.
It's going to be on h2. Let's make way for that. I think I've still got good position, good clock advantage. I'll play queen g4. What's rook g5 here? Doesn't that just win the queen? Yeah, it does. That was that's a bit of a hack attack. Blimey. 2438 IM. Bit of a hack attack there. I don't know what engines think about this. So I tried to discourage that a5 because he's going to get to c2 here. Okay, so yeah, knight f4 seems okay for white, but apparently no, the engine actually likes knight f4. It likes bishop f7. Wow, that is a shot to win h7. It's like a king hunt type sacrifice, but yeah, this looks good. Knight, I played rook. No, I didn't play that. Rook e1. So that's interesting. If rook h8, I'll take it here for g7. That's actually a fourth mate. So I actually played. That's okay as well.
Check.
Yeah, this is just good for white.
Check.
Wow.
Check.
Final blunder helped. Well, in this position, rook f5 is okay. Queen b7 as well. And rook g5 is fine. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.